Hi guys, welcome once again to Martin Lynch & Sons YouTube video channel. I'm Gary, M0TIG, and today we're going to be looking at the Metro VNA antenna analyzer. This is a new device to us, completely digital, with lots and lots of facilities on it you're absolutely going to love. So let's get cracking, have a quick look. Okay, welcome back. I've got the most important thing. I've grabbed myself a cup of tea. I've printed out the instructions, and this is a little bit of a close-up of the actual unit, which I put on a nifty stand for the demo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run through just very quickly just some of the menu options here, and you can actually see, if you look very carefully, you've actually got a touch screen here which you can select all the different types here. The first thing you can do is just go into easy mode, and this gives a continual scan of the actual antenna that you're testing. If I just stop that for a second and I connect something up, now I'm just using a dummy load here and an antenna tuner, just to make it easy. If you can see that, there you go. Now let's glare. And if we just run, say, here, you can actually, it's got lots and lots of different display options, and the one that I quite like is this one. It's very similar to another manufacturer, their sort of display, but this is completely digital. You can, then I'm actually tuning the antenna matcher, and you can see, you get a live display. And this, you can get quite a lot of information from this actual device. If you come back out, just go back into menu, just try and hold that still. You've got things like here, you've got graphs. You can do it as a graph. You can set this up as an SWR meter, in just like a giant one, so you can see it from afar. What else? Multi. This is actually more of a gives you quite a lot of information across lots and lots of different bands there, so you can actually see where the antenna you're testing is actually at its best. If we go back to the menu system there, what else can we get out of it? Data. You can do it as a data mode. Come back. You've got other bits and pieces on here where you can actually you've actually got a dip meter on here as well, if that is important to you. You need to make up a little loop that goes on the, I think it's the DUT port, and then it's either a loop or just a small rod, and it will actually, it's good for testing sort of filters and coils and that sort of stuff. What else have we got on here that we can show you very quickly? Obviously you've got graphed, you've got a TL graphed, and you've got a standard type graph. What else? It's got an RF generator on here as well. You've got a dB meter. You've actually got a watt meter on here, and you've got an RF meter. What else has it got on there? Not sure that one does. Oh, there you go. It tests cable as well, so you can check your cable performance for any faults and bits and pieces. It does so much, and there's quite a lot of information in the manual on this, which you can download from our website. If you just find the Metro VNA page, and then just scroll yourself down, and we've got links on there to the instructions. I absolutely love this device. It's really well made. I haven't gone into the other factors. First of all, at the moment you might see that I'm running it off a battery, but it is, if I zoom out just a little bit, you can see here that I'm running it on, as I say, a battery. If I were to disconnect the USB port and disconnect the antenna, you can see now that is completely, get the cable out, completely cordless, cable free. It's got a built-in lithium battery which is rechargeable from a standard USB port. Not only this, which makes this really good fun, is that you can connect it also to your mobile phone. So for instance, if I log into my my phone and find the app. There's actually an app there that you can called Metro VNA, available on Android. And now you're presented with this like little page on your mobile phone, and you can run SWR, Z. So there you go, and that's now giving you your little graph. Here you can actually go into the menu system here and go into a little menu where you'll get, you can do your reflection, transmission, you can get a Smith chart, useful to people. It gives you all that information. Absolutely fantastic, really impressed with this. There you go. And as I say, at the moment we're connected to a dummy load and a manual tuner. What else can we do? Let's go back. You can actually save, load from, calibrate, export, import. So you can actually send, like, say, PDF files and all that sort of stuff out with all the information that you've got. What else can we do? Let's go back to a graph. There should actually be an SWR meter or something like that on there. Come on. Alright, okay, well, as all demos do, they go wrong sometimes. But anyway, there you go. You get the idea, but it works really well on a mobile phone. But again, all the while, it's been running on its own internal battery. At the top corner here, you've actually got a battery level indicator, so you know when it's actually getting flat. So it's completely Bluetooth. It works with Bluetooth to your mobile phone, and the mobile phone app is available on Google Play. Also, because it's actually got a USB port and it uses a standard USB cable, you can plug this into your computer and you can use, I think it's one of the Java files, the same program as the Mini VNA products use. And from that program, it will give you quite a lot of live data on the actual on the computer screen. You can also export to PDF, email your results, save them as JPEGs, do all that sort of stuff. And there's loads and loads of add-ons if you shop around for those. And there are a couple of other programs that I'm aware of. And as I say, that's all sort of documented in the instructions. And as I say, these are quite extensive. There are two models available of this. There's the 180, and you are down by about three or so menu options on that. On the Pro 250, you get things like the dip meter and other bits and pieces available, but also it increases the range right the way up to about 250 megs, and on the other one it's 180 megs. But as I say, the manual's really well written and document quite a lot of the stuff that's actually available online. So you can do, on the back of the manual here, it's actually got all the, if I zoom out just a tad more, you might be able to see. There you go. Yeah, you've got in the back of the manual, I've printed it out for ease. You can see all the different graphs and stuff you can export. You can print them, and it's called VNA. VNA Java is the test software, and as I say, that is free to download, and yeah, your certificate of conformity as well. But yeah, really good, excellent product. Also, it's completely firmware upgradable. So if in the future there are things that need to be changed or bugs that are found, then it can be very quickly updated. And as I say, there are full instructions how to do that in the software. There's a little switch at the back, so that you just push over onto the on position, and yeah, there you go. So that's been the Metro VNA Pro 250. This is a very quick overview of this product. I tend to do a few more videos on some of the other features, and maybe we'll speak to Steve up in the workshop, who can explain some more technical aspects of what's actually going on. So yeah, really, but thanks for watching. As I say, I'm Gary, M0TIG. You can get all of these things. We've all got them all in stock, from stock on hamradio.co.uk. Or you can email me at gary@hamradio.co.uk. if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.